Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to unravel the secrets of SEO success. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these tips are going to help you dominate the search engine rankings. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have keyword research. This is the backbone of SEO. You need to know what your audience is searching for. Tools like Ubersuggest and Google Keyword Planner can help you uncover those golden keywords. Make sure to focus on long-tail keywords. Those are phrases with 3 or more words. They're less competitive and more specific, which means higher chances of ranking. Next, let's talk about on-page SEO. This includes everything you do on your website to improve its ranking. Start with optimizing your meta tags. Your title tag should be compelling and include your primary keyword. Don't forget your meta description. Make it engaging to increase click-through rates. Content is king. High-quality content can drive traffic and keep users on your site longer. Aim for comprehensive and engaging articles that provide value. Use headers, bullet points, and images to break up the text. And always include internal and external links. They help search engines understand your content better. Now let's move on to technical SEO. This can be a bit intimidating, but it's crucial. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to check your site's performance. Don't forget to create an XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. This helps search engines crawl your site more effectively. Off-page SEO is equally important. This involves activities outside your website that impact your rankings. The main focus here is backlinks. High-quality backlinks from authoritative sites can significantly boost your SEO. Guest blogging, influencer outreach, and social media marketing are excellent ways to build backlinks. Finally, track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush to monitor your website's performance. Keep an eye on your rankings, traffic, and user behavior. This helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Alright, that's a wrap. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task. It requires continuous effort and optimization. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips. Until next time, keep optimizing.